Good morning, you guys. It's Mrs. Alexander. And today we are working in Engage in New York Model 2, Lesson 3, and this is our third day. We're going to be able to actually solve order of operation problems by following the given steps. Today we're actually starting working with written form. So we're going to see our numbers and all our words and our signs all in words. So I'm going to quick go through the steps we need to solve our order of operations. Our first step is you looking for those parentheses. Parentheses, always whatever's inside goes first. Now when it comes to words, when you see and, that means those numbers go in the parentheses. This is saying that this is important, we got to do this first. After step 1, we go to step 2. We need to solve multiplication and division problems. So pretend you're reading a book, you're going left to right. So whatever comes up first, that's the first one you do. And then step 3 is we solve addition and subtraction problems. Again, just like multiplication and division, you go back to the beginning, read it left to right, and whichever one comes up first, that's one we do. And then at the bottom, you clearly state your answer. Now, make sure you have your piece of paper out or something to work out your calculations. Now, the only new step is you have to write the expression in numerical form and then solve in the same steps. We have the division sign here so you can copy and paste it throughout the document. I'm going to quick jump down to the bottom of my page because I did something pretty cool for you guys. I gave you a picture that I've got off the web that has these synonyms for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and equals. So these are the words we're looking for so we know kind of what signs we're needing to make with our problem. So now I'm going to go back up here to our example, and here we go. We here have 20 plus 4 divided by 2. So I'm going to write it 20 plus 4. And I need divide by, so I'm going to highlight, just the division sign. I'm going to hit Control C, and then I'm going to come right down here and hit Control V, and divide by 2. Now, as I told you last time when we did this, highlight the problem you're working on. So right here, I have 4 divided by 2. So I'm going to quick highlight that. I'm going to use green. It's happy. And then I'm going to write it out. I'll have 20. What's 4 divided by 2, you guys? You're right. It is 2. And then my answer is, you guys, you're right. And I'm highlighting this problem because I've told you, highlight your problem so your teacher knows which problem you're doing. And then you write your answer. And there we go. Again, I'm going to do a couple more problems so we can work on this. We have 20 divided by 10 plus 5. So I'm going to do 20. I'm going to do Control V because I haven't copied anything. Divided by 10 plus 5. So again, what's my first step, you guys? You're right, 20 divided by 10. I've got to do my division first. Great job. So I'm going to quick highlight that. If you notice, I'm not using the same color. 20 divided by 10 is, you're right, it's 2 plus 5. And now I'm going to highlight this one because this is my next problem. And then I'm going to come right here. What's 2 plus 5, you guys? You're right, it is 7. Great job. I'm going to bounce down to here, get away from our division and stuff. So we have the product of 5 and 9 decreased by 7. So if you see, I have the and here. And the and is telling us we have parentheses. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my parentheses 5. The product of 5 and 9. I know product is an answer for multiplication, so I've got to do it as multiplication. And it's decreased by 7, and decrease means take away, so I'm going to take away 7. So now I'm going to highlight the problem I'm doing first. I'm going to write it out. 5 times 9 is You're right, 45. I'm going to take away 7. And now I'm going to do 45 minus 7 because that's my last step. And that is 38. Great job, you guys. You've got this. Now, these are the ones with the words. Now we're going to quick do a couple that have numbers. The numbers are written out. So here we go. So we have 9 times the sum of 3 and 5. So I'm going to write 9 times, and I have that and there. So I know it's parentheses. 3 and sum means add. Now, if you're not too sure what some of these words are, remember you can always go down to the bottom and look at the neat picture I put on here to help you guys out. So let me quick get back up here. So again, I highlight the one I'm doing first. So I have 9 times 3 plus 5, you guys. You're right, 8. And now I highlight 9 times 8, because remember I do it once, I do it to all my problems. And now what's 9 times 8, you guys? You're right, 72. Now I hope this helped clarify some of our miscommunication and misunderstandings about orders of operations. And I hope you guys have a great day. Remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. Bye.